We just discovered a frog inside of a GoPro mount on our boat. Kate's gonna get him.
I'll try.
What are the odds of that? Oh, hello, Frogger.
Should I get him out?
I think he's hopping pretty good.
Wait, I want to.
Do you think he's gonna? Oh, he's a water frog, and he's gone. That's crazy. Saturday. It's really late in the day for us. Normally we come out a lot earlier. It's like 3 o'clock right now, and we're heading out. It looks like the Sandbar is packed, so should be a pretty fun time. We got our swim mat. We're gonna do some swimming. This is a weird thing. The police have it like locked down to be a super single file line way far out into the lake. I don't know if you can see. It's just like the 4th of July out here right now, but it's like the end of July. So I don't know. There is a lot of boats out today, so I'm guessing that they're just afraid that there's a lot of drunks and stuff.